So these headphones, they just arrived. I just got home a little while ago and I seen these right at my doorstep, and I'm getting ready to go to the gym in about 30 minutes. So I'll tell you what they sound is like when I get back. They come in a nice little case. I've already opened them and already checked them out and hooked up my Bluetooth. Here's the wires. That's the wire for hooking up in your vehicle. The USB. And this right here probably is for like hooking up to your phone if you want to use a wire rather than using the Bluetooth. So here's what they look like. I put them on for a couple of minutes. They're comfortable. They're very cool looking. They fit my head good, nice and tight. So I'm going to go to the gym and I'm going to finish this video up. And I will see you in a little bit. Okay, so I'm back. I wore these at the gym. I really liked them. They sound good. They fit my head good, nice and tight. They stay snug on my head. The ear part is really comfortable. It feels really good. I like that I just hooked it up very easily to my Bluetooth. I just turned on the Bluetooth, located the headphones, gave it permission, and that was it. That's what I like. There's the on and off button right here. And here is the manual controls that you can do on the headphones themselves if you don't want to do them on your phone. So, give you another little look at them. They're all black. They have that little design here. I really like them. Hope that helps. And you have yourself a good day.